Hello, welcome back to Erica's Little Welsh Life. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of all of my latest videos. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much. I'm really sorry I've not uploaded a video on this channel for about 5 months. The main reason being before Christmas, Christmas 2020, I was so busy trying to get my living room made over and decorated before Christmas. And then after Christmas, I have just been so busy in the garden, and my other channel, Erica's Little Welsh Garden, has really taken off, and I've just been so busy with that. But today is a slightly different video and more of the type of videos that I want to be doing on this channel. And that is to show you what I picked up today in my Lidl Too Good to Waste box. £1.50 from Lidl, absolutely a bargain amount of food in here. And I just thought I'd show you what is in this box. So if you're not aware of the Lidl Too Good to Waste box, essentially it is a box full of all of their kind of out of date and reduced fruit and veg. And quite often this fruit and veg might have a little bit of mould on, or kind of one of the apples in the pack might be mouldy and need to be thrown away. So generally I think the Too Good to Waste box is a bit of a money saver for Lidl, to be honest, because it saves them putting all of this in the bin, and some of the items probably couldn't even be shared with a food bank. But for £1.50 it's definitely worth it. I was in there this morning and picking something else up, and I had a quick look at the top of the box, and as you can see, there looks like there's some pretty good bargains in there. So I thought I would show you exactly what is in it today, and we can see if it's worth the £1.50. Okay, so let's have a look. The first item is sweet pointed mixed peppers, and having a quick look at this, all of them look absolutely fine. No mould on there whatsoever, and there's no date on this, but these are probably more than £1.50 on their own, so pretty pleased with that. The next item is British Scarlet tomatoes. Again, they look pretty good, to be honest. There you go, absolutely no signs of any mould on there, and vine tomatoes are actually quite expensive, so pretty pleased with that. So the next item is a pepper. I think sometimes what they do with like the peppers and stuff is if they're in like a multi-pack and one has gone really bad, they split them up, but this is quite big, so maybe this is one of the kind of ones that you can buy on their own. But if you look really closely, you can see it's a little bit wrinkly, so that probably wants using pretty quick. The next item, we have one of these, and I can't remember what they're called. Eggplant, but that's not what we call an aubergine. So here you go, there's an aubergine, really wrinkly, so that's obviously been on the shelf for a little while. But again, if you're doing something like kind of an aubergine tagine or something like that, that would be perfect to use, you know, in a cooked dish. Okay, so we have 4 of the same things at the very bottom, but firstly we'll have a look. I've got some nectarines. Looking at the nectarines here, can you see that one is bad? Let's have a look at the rest of them. So, okay, so there is another one there that is bad. So 2 of the nectarines in this punnet are bad, but to be honest, you could probably just cut those bits off, and definitely 2 of them are fine. So that's absolutely fine. Okay, okay, so the next one is a bag of, what they called, a bag of easy peelers. My daughter absolutely loves these, but by the look of it, let's have a look. One of them is really mouldy. I find sometimes with Lidl stuff, quite often you do have to look at the multi-packs when you buy them, because you do find like a mouldy one, but if I just open that, I can wash all of the other ones and put that straight into the compost heap. And already, like just looking at the stuff, we've got the easy peeler oranges, the peppers, the aubergine, the pepper here, and then vine tomatoes and those nectarines. All of that is probably weigh about £7.50 or something like that. So far it's really worth it, I think. Next item, we have some donut peaches here, and looking really closely at these, they look absolutely fine and there's nothing wrong with them. And to be honest, they still feel quite hard, so really happy with that. And then we have 2 more tomatoes here. These look like they were maybe like the loose tomatoes, but if you look, they are quite dented and damaged, but they're not mouldy. So to be honest, like, you could just cook a dinner tonight using all of these and it would be absolutely fine. And then the last 4 items we've got are grapes. Now, my children love grapes, but probably not this many. And I know at the moment, grapes in Lidl are £1.39 each. So there's 4 packs there. And just having a really quick look here, there's a little bit of juice. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of juice in the bottom of there. So maybe what I need to do is just open all of these and then give them a wash so they can just stay. And again, like, I can't see any mold on any of these. Okay, that one does have a tiny little bit of mold on. And then we've got this lot of grapes, and absolutely fine, apart from, you can see there looks like a squished grape. So all in all, I am pretty pleased with this. How many items we've got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And do you know what? Most of these items cost more than £1 each. So if I've got 12 items for £1.50, I am so pleased with this. You never really know what you're going to get in the box. And quite often I found from having these in the past, you do usually get grapes and stuff. But I would say it's definitely worth getting yourself down to Lidl first thing in the morning. Fruit and veg, like, my children absolutely love fruit and veg, and fruit can be quite expensive, especially grapes, if, you know, they eat 5 a day or more like 10 a day. So definitely worth it, and I'm so pleased with this. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified of all of my latest videos. As ever, YouTube have some videos up now on the screen that they think you'll like, so go ahead and watch those, and I'll catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!